Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is the next exciting chapter in Samsung's foldable phone history, technically the third clamshell foldable phone in the lineup. The Galaxy Z Flip 2 was skipped. The upcoming Z Flip 4 is expected to further perfect the foldable phone recipe without changing too much at once. As far as the release date of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, we have little to no specific information yet, just guesstimation based on Samsung's usual device release practices and our expectations for the later part of 2022. We only have the past two off of right now, but we'd guess that Samsung will host an Unpacked in August for the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Galaxy Z phones took the Galaxy Note's place as Samsung's mid-year device launch, and Samsung probably wants some lead time before the iPhone 14 arrives in its usual September launch window. Indeed, if our experience is anything to go by, we'd say that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 could be announced alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 4 sometime in August 2022. Last year's Galaxy Z Flip 3 generally surprised us with its affordable for a foldable phone price tag of $999, which made it one of the most aggressively priced phones of the type. This was most likely the reason the Z Flip 3 was responsible for more than 60% of sales on the foldable phone market in both Q3 and Q4 2021, making it the most popular foldable phone. Judging from this strong performance of the Galaxy Z Flip 3, we could expect that Samsung would want to replicate this success by pricing the Z Flip 4 in the same ballpark. We should probably expect a starting price between $999 to $1,099. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 camera as of now, but we don't expect much to be changed in terms of overall layout and specs. There has been some chatter regarding a triple camera on the Z Flip 4, but these leaks are not very substantiated. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 came with a dual camera at the rear, a 12MP wide and a 12MP ultra-wide one. Noticeable is the lack of a telephoto lens, and we shouldn't expect the telephoto camera to pop up on the upcoming Z Flip 4. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 came with either 128GB or 256GB of fast UFS 3.1 native storage, with no option for a microSD card expansion, and we expect the storage situation to be mostly similar with the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but this time microSD card should be included. Well, Samsung seems dead set to get rid of microSD cards for good, so we would hardly be holding our breaths for one on the Z Flip 4. In terms of what could be powering the Z Flip 4, the most likely candidate is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, which has been corroborated. This Plus version of the chipset is also built on a 4nm manufacturing process and will reportedly offer much better thermals and sustained performance in comparison with the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. There's also some speculation that the Z Flip 4 will employ the cooling solution from the Galaxy S22 series, which will hopefully reign in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus and help the phone stay cool under heavier loads. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.